Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Company. This is Monday, May 2nd. We are going to go over the markets for the day. You started off with a weaker tone really across the board for these grains, and they were able to work their way higher majority of the day. Really slow and steady, but just kind of kept creeping up there, and were able to close steady to up about $0.015 on corn, up 14 on your front month on beans, up about 10 on your deferred of no contract there, and then wheat market mix steady to up 1.5 or so, nothing too big. I think your driving forces were probably that the dollar was once again a lot weaker, down 42 cents. So that's about the third or fourth trading day in a row that you've had that weaker dollar, and that does come in here and support these grains. You started off the weaker tone on the fact that these forecasts look pretty phenomenal for planting. You've been pretty aggressive on planting so far. You're ahead of pace, and it looks like you should be able to stay that way with this forecast moving forward. A lot of areas look like they could get some rain, but not a whole lot. The northern parts are going to get below average precip, but for almost the whole entire corn belt, you're looking at above average temperatures, so that should be really beneficial there. And so you'll get a report today on planting progress. You're looking at about 47% planted on corn is what you're expecting to see. That is above pace. And then you're looking at about 8 to 10% planted on soybeans. Once again, that's above pace as well on that 5-year average. So planting's been rolling. It's been going good. Winter wheats conditions been going really good too. So overall, you have bearish fundamentals, but it looks like you maybe saw a little bit of buying come in once again. Over the last week, you had managed money come in here and be aggressive buyers once again of these markets and flip to a net long position in corn. They've been net long for a little bit here in beans, and you finally got that way into the corn market as well. So aggressive buyers there. It looked like you had very little volume starting off the day as you're coming in to really a Chinese holiday today, so they weren't there, and that's probably a big reason why you just didn't see that trade. I mean, you've been so aggressive in this trade. You've been trading so many contracts. It sounds like you've traded pretty much a whole entire harvest of bushels that you've been there. So it's been very aggressive. You've had a lot of trading going on, and today was a little bit on the quieter front until it started to rally a little bit towards the close. Meat markets were also higher, about $1 higher in all live cattle, feeder cattle, and lean hogs. I think that has to do with the weaker dollar as well. And then also the stock market was up over 100 points. You're also coming into, once again, the weather forecast. It's very friendly, above average temperatures. You're getting closer to Memorial Day weekend. We are now into May. Can't believe it. And what you're having is really just that demand pickup for grilling season. So that's there. That's been supporting, and like I said, the outside markets were friendly as well, with the Dow up and then the dollar down 42. Moving forward, you'll be seeing trade come off this planting progress and then the weather forecast coming forward, and you're going to have continued managed money buying to keep this rally really stabilized. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.